In this video, we're diving into the most promising high-income service businesses that you can start. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build smarter side hustles and grow your income streams with real advice, not hype. Now, here's the thing. Somewhere out there, someone is already making great money with a service business that they started with nothing more than their laptop, a small skill set, and a little consistency. And then on the flip side, there are people who try starting a service business and it just never goes anywhere. They struggle to get clients, they burn out fast, or they pick the wrong niche entirely. So what's the difference? A lot of it comes down to picking a service business that matches where the world is headed, not where it used to be. And according to the data, trends, and the way consumer behavior is shifting, these 6 service business ideas are positioned to explode within the next year. We're going to break down why each one's profitable, what's driving demand, how to get started, and tips to stand out. Let's get into it. Why service businesses are so profitable. So before we jump into the actual businesses, let's talk about why service businesses work so well, because it's not an accident. First, they have ridiculously low startup costs compared to product businesses. You don't need inventory, a warehouse, or a huge budget. Most of the time, you need a skill, a laptop, and a way for people to pay you. Second, you can start part-time. You don't have to quit your job or take some massive risk. A few clients can easily replace part-time income, and then you can scale from there. Third, the profit margins are amazing. Because you're selling your expertise, your time, or your ability to solve a problem, your costs stay low and your earnings stay high. And lastly, service businesses are flexible. You can niche down, pivot, package your services differently, or evolve with market demand. Which brings us to trends driving service demand within the next year. Now, there are 4 major shifts happening right now. And if you understand these, you'll see exactly why the businesses that are on this list are taking off. Number 1, AI is replacing weak marketing, but not skilled execution. A recent entrepreneur article said something powerful. AI doesn't replace marketers. It replaces weak marketing. That idea applies to all local and online services. People who use smart systems, modern tools, and clear processes will outperform everyone else. 2, remote and hybrid work is now normal. Companies need digital support, automation help, virtual teams, and streamlined systems. 3, an aging population is changing which services are needed. Senior care, home maintenance, safety upgrades, and age-in-place services are exploding. 4, home improvement and DIY projects are booming. Housing shortages and rising costs mean that more people are renovating instead of moving. 5, health, wellness, and convenience are becoming priorities, not luxuries. People are willing to pay for services that save time or improve their well-being. All right. Let's now jump in to the list. Number 1, digital marketing and SEO agency. Why it's profitable. Every business needs to be visible online. It doesn't matter if they're a bakery, a dentist, or an online store. If customers can't find them on Google, they might as well not exist. That's why digital marketing agencies continue to grow year after year. SEO, social media management, content creation, paid ads, these services directly impact a business's revenue, and businesses will always pay for what brings in more customers. And the best part, you don't need to be an expert in everything. Most agencies start with 1 or 2 core skills. SEO alone can be a 6-figure service. Social media management alone can be a 6-figure service. You just need to be good at solving one problem. How to get started. Start by picking one lane. SEO, social media management, paid ads, email marketing, content writing, short-form video creation. Focus on solving one specific problem first. If you like SEO, tools like Semrush help speed up keyword research and auditing. And if you click the link down below in the description, you can get started with a free 14-day trial. Now, if you do content marketing or social posts, something simple like Canva makes it easy to create graphics, even if you're not a designer. And they even have a free plan. Build a small portfolio by helping a few businesses for a discounted rate. Once you get 2 or 3 results-based testimonials, you'll look 10 times more legit. Tips to stand out. Pick a niche. Dentists, gyms, real estate agents, restaurants. Package your services instead of charging hourly. Show results with screenshots, stats, before and after examples. Communicate clearly. Most agencies fail here. Digital marketing will always be a top earner because businesses will always need growth. 2, virtual bookkeeping and accounting. Why it's profitable. Bookkeeping and accounting are essential for every business. Companies need bookkeeping, payroll, reconciliation, tax prep, reporting, financial analysis. Now, even though software has improved, most business owners still don't want to spend hours categorizing expenses or dealing with tax deadlines. That's where virtual bookkeepers come in. And here's a bonus opportunity. A lot of new businesses still need to form their LLC. Tools like Bizee make that setup process super easy. And when your client has a clean legal structure, it makes your job as their bookkeeper way smoother. How to get started. Now, if you've never done bookkeeping before, you can take a simple online course, learn the basics of something like QuickBooks or Xero or both, and practice with mock accounts. Then find a niche. Real estate investors, online creators, e-commerce brands, local service businesses. Each industry has different needs, and when you understand them, you can charge higher rates. Tips to stand out. Create a monthly retainer package. Offer tax-ready financial reports. Provide simple, friendly communication, which is rare in accounting. Use automations to speed up data entry. Bookkeeping may not be glamorous, but the demand is massive and the income is steady. 3. Smart home installation and tech support. Why it's profitable. Smart homes are no longer the future. They're here now. People are installing smart locks, thermostats, doorbell cameras, garage sensors, home hubs, security systems, smart lighting, Wi-Fi mesh systems. But the average homeowner gets overwhelmed setting it all up. That's where you can step in. You charge for consultation, installation, setup, and ongoing support. Most of the devices, Nest, Ring, Google Home, can be ordered straight from Amazon, so sourcing parts is easy. How to get started. Practice installing devices in your home or a friend's home. Learn the big ecosystems, Amazon, Google, Apple, and then start offering smart home assessments, security system setup, Wi-Fi optimization, whole home automation upgrades. Here are some tips to stand out. Explain tech in simple language. Offer monthly support plans. Partner with realtors or property managers. Build a simple website using Wix or Squarespace to showcase your services. This field is growing insanely fast and is still underserved. 4. Home improvement and renovation services. Why it's profitable. With housing shortages and high interest rates, more people are choosing to renovate instead of move. Demand is exploding for kitchen remodels, bathroom upgrades, flooring installation, painting, carpentry, general handyman work. Even small jobs add up fast. Homeowners want reliability, fast communication, and someone who actually shows up, which is surprisingly rare. If you can deliver that consistency, you'll stay booked. How to get started. Start with the skills you already have, or take a few local workshops to learn basics like drywall, tile, or electrical safety. Build a simple portfolio with before and after photos. Offer small services at first if you need to build trust. And again, a clean website through Wix or Squarespace can help you look 10 times more professional. Here's some tips to stand out. Answer messages fast. Provide honest timelines. Keep your work area clean. Ask for Google reviews after each job. This industry will keep expanding for the next decade. It's not going anywhere. 5. Senior home maintenance and age-in-place services. Why it's profitable. So this is one of the biggest growth industries in North America. As people get older, most want to stay in their own homes instead of moving to assisted living, but they need help. You can offer minor home repairs, mobility and safety upgrades, grab bar installation, medication reminders, errands and light cleaning, technology setup, routine check-ins. Families will pay well for someone who's trustworthy, consistent, and kind. How to get started. This doesn't require a medical background unless you want to specialize in more advanced care. Start with simple maintenance or companionship services. Get basic certifications if your region requires them. Build relationships with senior centers, physical therapy clinics, home health agencies, local Facebook groups, and once again, a clean, friendly website helps build trust fast. Tips to stand out. Show patience and empathy. Offer bundled weekly or monthly packages. Keep communication open with families. Use digital tools to stay organized. This is one of those businesses with long-term, reliable income and a mission that actually matters. Number 6, business coaching and consulting. Why it's profitable. Coaching is one of the highest earning service businesses because businesses are willing to pay for clarity, strategy, and accountability. If you have experience in marketing, leadership, operations, finance, sales, project management, you can help entrepreneurs solve real problems. How to get started. Start by identifying your zone of genius. What problems have you solved in your own career? Then create a simple framework or process that you can walk clients through. Host free calls or workshops to start building your first relationships. If you eventually want to turn your framework into an online course, platforms like Kajabi make it super easy to package your teaching into a clean, professional program without needing any tech skills. Tips to stand out. Share client stories. Offer a clear roadmap. Use simple visuals. Focus on results, not theory. Deliver more value than people expect. When done right, consulting can become a full-time income with just a handful of clients. So starting a service business is one of the smartest ways to build a real income. So whether you're doing it part-time or going all in, digital marketing, bookkeeping, smart home installation, home improvement, senior home maintenance, and consulting are all proven, growing industries backed by strong market data. So pick the service that fits your skills, your lifestyle, and your goals. Start small. Focus on delivering value. And as you grow, upgrade your tools, whether that's Semrush, Canva, Bizee, Wix, Squarespace, or Kajabi. The sooner you take action, the sooner you'll build something that gives you more freedom, more flexibility, and more control over your income. So if you want to get started with any of the products that we talked about today, you'll find links for them down in the description. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on Side Hustle Mastery, we explore a wide range of side hustle ideas, strategies, and tips to help you make extra income. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.